Welcome to our claim insurance demo built by GeakMinds on BlockApp STRATO. Here you can see the main insurance page where you can see the issuance of insurance, the user details, the claim information, as well as other details. So first we're going to issue an insurance. And this is the admin page. They can take care of all the things that the users would do. To issue an insurance, we need to include the username and the date of birth. The date of birth is used to calculate the premium based on this table. The provider ID is locked in this app, as this app represents one insurance company. But in the future, if you had multiple insurance companies, you could use different provider IDs. And here you can see the amount of the insurance. And the premium gets calculated automatically, and we'll just enter in their phone number and submit. And this user actually already has multiple insurance plans provided by this provider, so they can't have another one. So it's a validation that we've run. So let's start with user 5. So now you can see the insurance was issued. So now let's view the user detail. Here we can see the insurance ID information, the sum, amount remaining, and the start and end date. We kept it very short today, just for the demo. And you can see the premium, as well as the status. So we can briefly just show user 4 and view their number of insurance. Because they already had 3 insurances, they were not able to have another insurance issued, even though these are all 3 expired. In fact, you can renew the insurance here by pressing this button. So now the insurance is renewed. And if we refresh, you should see that the insurance is now active. So now this insurance can be used for this user against claims. Now the user has to get admitted to the hospital. So we're going to log in as a user and show their admission. So this is the hospital administration page. So here we're admitting the patient who we just issued insurance to. As they're getting admitted, you're taking basic contact information. As well as the reason for admission. Here we are going to select accident and trauma, but we have a couple of different options to be chosen. General illness, accident and trauma, or planned. And this is good information to make sure you know whether this is a planned visit or an unplanned visit. Here you can see all the list of all the patients and their status. User 4 has already been discharged. User 5 is who we just admitted. The bill amount hasn't been created and they are not discharged yet. If we tried to claim this now, it will not work because the patient hasn't been discharged yet. So let's try to claim it right away. So we're going to show the validation even though we have the right bill and invoice number and the correct insurance information. The claim was rejected. Great, because the individual has not been discharged. Now if we discharge, let's see what happens next. So you can see the patient discharge summary, and you can select the treatment as well as verify the data and input the bill amount. And the bill amount is related to the treatment, so it is automatically populated. So now let's claim the insurance now that this individual has been discharged. Claim has been approved. And so now we can view this in the user detail page. That amount has been deducted from their insurance. So that is the validation, and you've seen a complete life cycle from issuance of insurance, patient admitted,